Postman didn't hire a single salesperson for the first 6 years and still ended up being used by 98% of the Fortune 500. Sounds unbelievable, right? What they actually did was build a GTM playbook every bottoms-up company should study. Back in 2012, Postman started as a side project of a simple Chrome extension to test APIs. Developers loved it. It spread fast. And for a while, Postman just let the product do the talking. Just self-serve, word of mouth, and support. But over the next few years, something bigger started happening. The API economy exploded. Every company from startups to Fortune 500s was building microservices, spinning up APIs, and shipping fast. As APIs became the backbone of modern software, every company was suddenly building and managing dozens, sometimes hundreds of them. And Postman, by default, became the tool developers reached for. By 2018, they started noticing a pattern. Inside large companies, hundreds of developers were using Postman, but all through personal accounts. Teams were duplicating work, there was no shared workspace, and no one had visibility into how APIs were being documented or used. It wasn't just inefficient, it was risky. So when engineering leaders started reaching out, they didn't ask for features, but asked how to manage the chaos. That's when Postman realized it was time to sell. Here's what they did differently and what you can learn from it. First, they waited until enterprise demand was undeniable. They didn't push sales too early and risk scaring users off. Second, they tracked real signals like when 50 developers from one company were using Postman for free. That's when sales stepped in. Third, they didn't sell features. They sold peace of mind, centralized workspaces, better collaboration, IP protection, things leadership actually cared about. Fourth, they made sales feel like support. If a director or architect had a problem, the sales rep came in to help, not to pitch. And last, when they did outbound, it wasn't cold. It was built on intent signals and industry-tailored messaging, so it actually added value. Postman's story is proof that you just need to make sure sales shows up when it matters and speaks the same language your users already love. In the next few videos, we'll break down each of these plays step by step. If you're building from the bottom up, this is the playbook to steal. Follow along.